Hi, hello. Are you interested to have a teaching and learning from a top level business institute called IIM? So, for the first time in the history of Manipur, IIM Shillong, with the collaboration of CESD Department Manipur University, has been organizing one-day national level seminar on the offline called Startup and Entrepreneurship Ecosystem in India. And schedule will be on 27 June 2022 on a Monday, and the timing will be 9:30 a.m. reporting and 10 a.m. inauguration of the seminar, and the seat capacity is only 100. So attendee will be allowed only after registration, and registration can be done by the below given link, and the registration fee will be 200 rupees per person, and the payment can be done on the online on the given link or on the spot venue. And the resource person of the one-day seminar will be from various institutes like a banking sector, from the various industries and teaching institutes. And the venue of the seminar will be MIMS MBA department, Manipur University, Canchipur, Imphal, Manipur. And the official contact number for further information will be 8731806370, and another will be 9921607202 as a volunteer Prakash. So yes, last point, the certificate will be issued for those who got registered and paid the registration fee. So don't miss the opportunity. See you on the one-day national level seminar at the Manipur University. Thank you. See you on the stars.